Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I've been getting some comments about on my freeze dryer videos, something to the extent of I wish I can afford a freeze dryer, or I'm kind of on the fence about getting one. I'm here to tell you, you can afford a freeze dryer, and it's much easier than you think. Okay, I do realize they are expensive. Okay, they're not cheap, but they are well worth it. Okay, let me tell you, we are freeze drying just about everything. We do zero canning anymore. No more canning for us. We do just strictly freeze drying. But I'm here to tell you that these freeze dryers are absolutely amazing, and it was well worth it for us. And I'm here to tell you it's very easy to afford a freeze dryer. What if I told you that you can put a minimum amount of money down, a very small amount, pay as much as you want and when you want, okay, and zero interest? Well, let me show you how. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go to the Harvest Right homepage. You can click on the link in the description under the video, and that is an affiliate link, and that helps us out a little bit whenever you buy anything on their website, and it costs you nothing. Or go right to harvestright.com, go to their home page here, and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. When you get to the bottom of the page, you'll see right here where it says financing. Click on that. And it says here, we've made it easy to own a freeze dryer. Lock in your sale price with a down payment of $250 minimum. Pay as much as you want when you want. Receive zero interest until paid in full. Your freeze dryer will ship after you've made your final payment. You call this number right here and they will fill you in with all the details. And that's how easy it is. Alright, so it was that easy. Just go to the home page, go to the bottom, go to where it says financing, and call that number, and they will tell you all the details that you need to know. Alright guys, that's my line. I hope you found this video very informative, and that it would help you out to get a freeze dryer. Now let me tell you, we've been using our freeze dryer, I'm not kidding you, almost non-stop. Okay, now these freeze dryers take a while to freeze dry your food. Of course, they can take anywhere from 20 something hours to 50 hours depending on your food, you know. The freeze dryer itself has been working out great for us. It's well worth the money. We stored up a ton of food. In fact, we're going to start slowing down now. But you know what? The way this economy is going, and the way the outlook of the future is here in the United States and around the world, it doesn't look very good. And I would suggest getting a freeze dryer and just storing up food for a rainy day, because I see a very big storm coming. All right? So I know it's not nothing funny to laugh about, but being seriously here, get this freeze dryer, start storing up food, and in the future you just may thank me for that. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.